The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee strongly criticizes the MDA government for its blatant disregard towards women's representation in governance. Despite having many competent women leaders within the ruling coalition, this government has failed to appoint even a single woman minister. This is not only an insult to the capable women of Meghalaya, but also a betrayal of the very foundation of our matrilineal society, where women have always been held in the highest respect. In a state where the female workforce participation is higher than that of men, the absence of women in the Council of Ministers is a glaring injustice and denial of rightful representation. Instead of empowering women, the NPP-BJP government has chosen to promote cartel politics, sidelining the voices of women and neglecting the ethics and traditions of our society. It is shameful that the ruling dispensation pays only lip service to women's empowerment while in practice showing discrimination and disrespect towards them. By denying women their rightful place in decision making, the MDA government has failed the people of Meghalaya and tarnished its proud legacy of gender respect.